What's up? Welcome back to another video here. Another episode of my hat unboxing. Today I got another cap, guys. This is a very special cap in my opinion. I really love this colorway. Let's go ahead and open it up. Thumbs up if you like my newest cap too. This is the Cleveland Guardians hat. I have a video on this as well. Super sick, guys. I love this logo right here. I've never seen it before. But here is another cap I picked up, guys. Let's check it out. This is a Texas Rangers hat, Bluestone era 40th anniversary. I want you to take a look at that blue. Gray Batman with the gray logo right there, and it's kind of like a off-whitish gray under visor, which looks pretty awesome, and it has a white sweatband right there. Still brand new. I think it's an amazing hat. It really pops, so any outfit that you wear, honestly, you can pull this off. Something with lighter shades or even just all black. This could be the centerpiece, all black with some white shoes. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Look at this side patch right there. Super cool. It's like the shape of the state of Texas with the 40th anniversary and some more details there. But really simple but dope hat, guys. Love this blue. Again, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. And if you haven't watched this video on the Cleveland Guardians hat, go ahead and check it out. Fresh. Let's try this one on, actually. Of course, we're gonna bend the brim later on. But yeah, guys, thanks again for watching. Drop a like, thumbs up, subscribe for more videos. Car Addict out. Peace.